them, just hang them out.
So we're gonna work, you know, so sitting there. You look happy though. How you like it here though, differently?
Alright, where you go eat?
Look, some things in the kitchen, man, just look about something. You know what I mean? Just anything one does. You ever seen on cabbage on there, cut a look at cabbage, you know what I mean, and steam down some. One bread round and wheat bread is supposed to run them by last time come in. They just some items, 2 pieces must be there, so can make one sandwich.
You know, so the oil finish.
Where's that?
The oil finish.
Where's that?
The oil finish.
Look if some butter in the man. Butter must in there.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Butter.
No, chiffon butter to them, man. Chiffon.
Oh! No, it finished too. Shit, man. It's alright.
Butter.
You know, so the butter finished, like we have to go do some shopping, man.
Give me a say no, know yourself, man. I go up and shop and come back. You know what I mean? You can't boil like a tea.
Alright then, but I still have no doing now. Use your hand make fashion. Wait for that flat. Alright.
Where's the oil over there?
You know, say I some bleach in the middle of some use, because you know, say.
That's another?
Yeah, it's not white. It come like butter too, you know. Some just use it and fry it up.
How much you going near me? Yeah.
It smells good.
So where you come from with this blood? Yeah. You open up in the kitchen. Come and understand. Oh, you have to use Claro. Or you call Claro White or whatever. Bleaching fried egg.
It's something like butter, baby, can work.
No, it's not. Turn up the stove, right? What may I say now?
You say I waste my energy and I that's the thing I'm preparing.
I fear do I know, but listen up, that are you going to eat the egg, you know? So what me I do, I'm about to the kitchen. Because boy you use that cannot cook. Who get the idea there?
Right now you agree with me, because you just make me waste my time and prepare the thing and you throw it away. So part me did live, my ex no make me do nothing. He prepare everything for me. Even though rub the bleaching for my body, I him rub my back. So I don't really do nothing. You understand? So this just piss me off right now. I come out.
Wait me I say now. Don't get me not get upset, you know, but more I understand. So when they come, then tell me say you can wash, cook and clean. and for you come and me a wash. And we hang out the clothes then. Yeah. For now, me feel say you could actually cook then. So if you put car white in a fried egg, I don't want to touch more like that again. Now I do just toast the bread. Toast piece of bread for me, I drink some tea. You know, it's the egg. What am I tell you do the egg now? Because you don't have to fry. Because butter comes still. If you do want the butter, I just fry this here. But hear me say now, boil the egg then. Just put a pot of water and boil it. You know what I mean? And then you can eat it. Boil egg and eat it with something. But nobody fry no mind. Because you don't understand it. This is now just toast it. So one next frying pan there. Toast the bread for me. More better so I will relax. You know what I mean? When you toast you call me.
Okay, sir.
You better toast bread and some tea. That's what I'm going to work.
Alright.
No, me pan for the kitchen. Come.
I never pay attention, man, at that.
Come.
Man, you can't beat me mess up again.
Come on,
God.
Come on, the kitchen, look. Call the fire truck. Now, watch out. Gotcha. Abang yours, eh? The first day they are like about you abang yours. You have to go learn to cook in a running. All the way go work, you go learn to cook. You see me show you how to wash and make it hang out the clothes them, you have to learn to cook. Go up on the internet, how do I learn how to cook? Okay, Google, how do I learn how to cook? They will tell. See the box in there. Okay, Google.
Hang on while I get connected to Wi-Fi.
Alright, just talk to Google. Google, come show you something. Come here. You see this here? You see that box here? It can. Okay, Google. Okay, Google.
Hang on while I get connected to Wi-Fi.
Anytime it's connected to the Wi-Fi, I'll put on the Wi-Fi panel. You ask it anything in our world. Okay, Google.
Hang on while I get connected to Wi-Fi.
Me not know Wi-Fi now, but me I tell you.
So me can ask how to cook too?
That to tell you how to cook. Because you're not doing a good job.
You never tell me before.
What is them trying to do them thing here? Because first them say can wash, cook and clean. But now, me have to go cook and clean and you watch instead of wash. I'm not sure. I like how you get up and move out of the place and go up and down this morning because I tell you say today, you know, say I want some food because there for when you know to cook. And so if I get up and I cook enough food, that means that we all 1 week I have to cook. Alright, so I find one woman can come cook for me. Thing good, man.
What do you mean by say me not cook? You mean that you always cook your own food and even make me need your own dumpling?
But I told you that you need to start learning to cook. But first thing first, before we start there, you tell me say you can wash, cook and clean. And you watch me and me cook and clean instead of wash, cook and. But everything good enough. Today's the final day.
What do you mean by final? You want to say I end this? So me if you just give my good and you just go to the jail so I know that I did before this and that's all me have to tell you.
So check me. So you're good. What about my long and strong? You never done nothing. You don't give me something again nothing. So that you against me now. So you me take look like that. Me tight here. More obligation.
No man,
when I get the police to move you out of here today, you tell me say I did before this and I catch my phone for record you said to me a while ago.
You better tap in nice and hurry up and cook the food. Because you cook the best soup, you know. Hurry up and make the soup. I'm going to lie down till you're done. But, move on. I'll take me out of this today and you can't take me out of this.
Where's that one, Rasta? Yo, when you tell me say the brownie we are giving? A war lad.
Me can't know that. Me only tell her she can wash, cook and clean, that's all.
Oh, you know she can wash, cook and clean. First she come a yard, she know wash, cook and clean all now. She watch me and me wash, cook and clean. Me have to do everything I had right now. And on top of that, a station every day we have to war. And she has a eat because she eat no food when you cook the food, so she's stronger than me. On top of that.
How much lie you tell, man?
So right now, we just cook some food and she over there lay down in the bed. And that's what I show to them.
Nobody dash her out. All the day get somebody put her out. Me remember if you tell her it's a war lad. Me say she beat one man till all the man can't walk. A wheelchair the man in her. You're lucky, so just give thanks to life.
And where she come from, me I kick her and send her back straight to there. Right now. You hear about it? Me soon forward.
You're going to change now. Remember, I better you come back here. I want you. Alright, Rasta, go on.
Now it's time to start. Come.
What's yours?
Time for you go, man. You think you could untie me? See man there by me here? Time for you go. Can't hold me. Come on, come. Come on, come here, house, man.
Call the whole army. I don't know what you feel like, but come out away.
Yo, we say our people here pass the war and go over here and say, yes, Rasta learning karate. But look how the man done so, man.
When I'm thinking about now, I got a doctor, go check out. So, if it's a girl, give it to you, no know where he's going to cut me. If I fingernail, cut me up so. But I tell her, see next time, no man find you that. No man find me, I look out man myself.
No, you can't see that, man. We tell you, if you get somebody take her out, you tell me you're going to learn Kung Fu. So what you going to do now?
Right now, I'm going to call the police. If them can't help me, we have a plan. Hello? You know, come in my yard right now. Because since you're dust in your force, you must have carry gun. Yeah. And nobody then have no gun for them now, but carry a gun come cousin. Yeah, me have a case here, solved right now.
Because I want to see how you look so.
I should not even know. You were handcuffed there.
You know, some in a car, show me need a hurry. You gonna everything left.
More you lock up that youth, that me want if you lock him up. If you two handcuffs, you try to carry.
If you want, what you do?
Him give me a sexy brown girl. But the girl, a war lad, you know, tell me that. If she can't cook and she can't wash her them sitting there. But you tell me she can't wash one, but you tell me say, a war lad. Look at the girl, look here.
Honestly, you know, cousin. Me and your cousin, but the honest truth. Me can't help you because I never tell you if you take up you can't manage. I feel your responsibility if you take care of your
Amen.
problem.
Amen to that.
That's nice for me if you tell you. You should have know what you do.
Listen to me. My know you're talking because you come back out of your force fast.
But because me can't believe you really this you call me for. Me I work with the government now, I know. And this you call me for, you know, say anything we have to deal with the government come first. As I say government, so we run come. My government mean, I say a government me I work for.
But tell us, a girl, look, this now and cut me up. What go on? Do something. Lock up him, lock up she, do something, man. Will you send a guy to school, make a pass, the subject you can go get work in a police station?
Yeah, me appreciate that, but me I say me can't help you. Can't help.
And that answer to me?
But the government a pay me, you not pay me. You not pay me?
But when I send a guy to school, man, what about them time them send a guy to school?
Them the deal
If it's different, me... Alright.
Yo, you think nobody can do this, sir? Right now, I'm going to apology for that. Nobody can do this, sir. What's that one? What
go on, me J?
What's some way you do one video for me, do? Video where I go viral.
I wonder if I see a video where I go viral where me and watch. We are police. Roll up all our youth underneath a bed and him apologize to bro God.
Right now, I not do for me. I not apologize to no police. Right now, you see me serious. I do one video for me.
What you mean, man? Give me a phone now, man.
You ready now?
Ready right now.
Right now, bro, got after curfew, you know. I'm not going. You hear me? I tell you. That me tell me nah go in. Right now me there. Serve me there. You understand? You dial the road there, so. You understand? Me nah go in. That me tell a party me I go right now. After curfew me no care me.
So you deal with them? How you mean? Me like how you deal with them a while ago. You see me? Cause badness round the road, you know. We not go nowhere, you see me? For real, me general, me like how you do it, but now I send it, just send it off, you know.
Oh, yeah, the post, me never tell the post right now, they might come for me now, man. Give me my phone.
Nobody take no call.
So I say I want government call. Hello? What you say? Why next video go out there in this Andrew again? Yo, cuz. In short and tall. Flat or slim. Back up. Yo, one of them. Yeah, me this is me there in a white house here.
Ready.
Because the sleep inside, I don't know where it is.
Look.
See?
Boy!
Come on!
Get up!
Take him up.
Get up! Stand up! Wear clothes. Put on the clothes.
We are
No, father, sir.
Find the clothes. Let him go. Find the clothes. Alright. Alright, turn. Put on the clothes. You can this bro God? Eh? You think you're bro God size? Boy! Take that out of him. Where's the police?
Sorry, boss. Sorry.
Come!
Hurry up, man. Hurry up.
Officer, what you do a brutality? Murder!
Alright, stop it now.
Let go, man. Let go, man. Freedom of speech. Let go, man. I won't not do. Yo, let go, man. Freedom of speech, officer. I won't not go on. Let go, man. I saw you go on, you know. I saw you go on. Freedom of speech.
Why you back catch you back over at poke yard?
Freedom of speech.
Sit down, sir. Be there.
Live up yourself, man.
You know who I am? Boy! You know who I am?
No, boss.
You know what you do? You don't know what you do, don't you? Eh? Looking at the camera. Don't look for me. Looking at the camera.
Looking at the camera.
Boy, looking at the camera. Yo, Melody. I can't go back to the location when you're in there. I'm making him apologize. I humiliate him. Yeah?
Yeah.
So since you don't want to apologize, so the world I go see you. You may tell you? You think so when I hear about Officer Red Boat are not normal? Eh? You think I'm not normal when I hear about Officer Red Boat? You don't know about me, don't you? Yeah, what I do, Shaka? Top record. Yeah? I think police business is...
So you don't climb back up, so not sure.
You can't go a Kush party when they are going like him a girl. Yo, come on. Get up. Get up, man.
take police. I think bro got a joke thing. Okay? Since you don't want to do it down at the station, stand up. Stand up. Where phone? Be there. Say you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Who you say? More if you say it just like how you did not say it, or you did not disrespect him, more if you say it, apologize to him just like how you did not disrespect him. Look at that camera when you say it too. Say you're sorry.
Bro God, I'm sorry.
Say, I say you did not say it. More energy, man. Me not go in. Me sorry. Me sorry. Come. Say you're sorry. Boy, you think me a laugh with you? You think me a laugh? You have video?
Yeah, man, me have video.
Say you're sorry.
Bro God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro God. I'm sorry. I will never do it again.
Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Press up. Press up. Say move. Move. Say move. Move. Jump. Jump. Hey boy, if you ever disrespect me God again, kick it. Kick in your body. No, let me see you up on the road.
I look so stressed, man.
So you look like?
I'm breaking that in the man.
You work it for you?
What is that now?
You come back?
Yeah, man, don't worry about that. You come back, man. Just go and rub him down. Yo, me can't be say still upon that, man. You have to come off of that, man.
Daddy, I know I'm not going to be there, Daddy. I just stay. I wonder what to do next. Because I need a girl out of my house, Daddy.
Yeah. Because you don't understand what you're trying to cook now. What you're trying to know?
When you show me the browning picture and say she can cook and clean, I pay you cash.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
But now, I pay you cash to get her out of my house. Because right now,
Oh, me?
get her out.
Go in there, sir? After you, sir, you want me go in there? After this, Janko, you're not so brave.
You want money? I money, you know.
Jamaica,
See,
no, you're talking.
Get her out of my house, Daddy.
No, you're talking. You want to know how me are going to make you get him out? Easy and simple. You remember when your cousin come this and she get the call? It's like when bro got call him, we go take up anybody off of the road, diss him. They move fast. So here what you going to do? You're going to prank call your cousin. And talk like a bro got, and you give me the phone. I'm sending him your yard.
You know the number?
I don't know your cousin number, but you have
119 yard.
private.
And 911. Alright.
So
119.
You alright, Scotty?
Yeah, man. Redwood Police Station, how may I help you? Redwood Police Station, how may I help you?
this is Andrew speaking.
Anju!
Yes, the Prime Minister.
One when I clocks them.
Give me phone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam, sir. Sorry. Yes, sir.
So let me ask you guys a question. What did I pay you guys to do?
To protect you, sir. Protect and serve you only, sir.
Tell me someone when I clocks him.
Hold on, man. I talk to you, bro. God. Sit down. Sir, come again, sir. Eh? What's the issue, sir? What's the issue? What's the issue, sir?
Listen, one girl is in the area there at room 68th Street, beating a Rasta man like a tiger. And she's sending check to me.
She called a name, sir?
Yeah, she mentioned
That's nothing
my
more,
name.
sir. Sir, that's nothing more, sir. That's nothing more. I'm going down there now, sir. I'm going down there now.
Get out
Right now, sir.
Listen, get
Come
her
now,
out of
come
your
now.
house. I don't care where you want to put her. Right, so you see the girl that answered the phone? She need to stop going around and telling people about the government only responsible for his business. Don't mention my business to people. Because the people business is my business. My business is for government business.
And if nothing wrong with them, I don't business.
Listen, I have nothing wrong with them. I don't really business with them. I only business about myself.
Yes. Yes, sir. I know you don't care about the people them, sir. Yes, sir.
And you know, to show you the truth, I care, we care. I care, we care.
Because when you check it out, it's only people that buy chicken back give you problem.
Chicken back business.
So we need to buy the chicken back, sir?
No, the chicken back is good. We ship them here, they buy them.
Alright, sir. Me on the way, sir. On the way. On the way, sir. Come. Get up. Come on.
Iban, officer, Iban.
Hey, give me. If I ever catch you back in here, I'ma shoot you. And nothing now come out tight. Yeah? Me not get in no trouble.
Yeah, it's a good thing we call bro God cousin this year. I make a link and show bro God call me. See it? But mama couldn't get things.
Anytime.
Yeah, my cousin see me help myself. I Virginia have to call bro God to get me couldn't come. See, but everything good.
Alright, Rasta.
Bless up on yourself still. Bro ain't gone out of my life. Want a new girl now. Wonder if you come get a girl for me. If you get a girl for me, bro God, we get to go one differently. One.
I need some beer.
Alright, so bro got some drink shop here. Go get one girl for me. This time I don't want no girl too tall.
Hello? Why you look like that?
You know, say me and my man left. I mean, I know if we go.
Come in our vehicle.
Yo, if me didn't know it's so easy, we do that long time and get out of the place like this.
Anything mentioned in bro God knew, it's done. Because they worship him like a God.
Alright. Mom miss Brown in big body, but you can't get it then, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, miss that. You better you glad you're alive because look at it and you have shut up it up to next year.
What going on, officer? But what do you work fast?
Listen to me now. You say you want a girl. You know how far we gonna get this one? I don't know if she can fight like that one, you know, but you probably can try it, and I don't know if this one is right either. I never hear she talk yet.
She pretty, so you can't. I say she's pretty and nice, so you can.
You don't want her for your cousin-in-law?
Yeah, a nice girl.
Alright, so let her go no, man.
You tell her to do,
Go up to the shop up there, so.
right? You know,
And tell them to go to some beer. The shop there, so give them 2 beer. To go and
Give me
drink.
one ice cream.
Because I call bro God. and bro God has said certain things. He's busy up and now he can't get to it, but more pay for that. That's simple math. Get 2 beer for that, so you want ice cream, get a beer for yourself.
Alright? Best behavior. What you say?
Alright.
What did I say?
Best behavior.
Come again?
Best behavior.
You can count?
Yes, I can.
Count.
1, 2, 3.
Me and bro God not related. I'm a brethren, cousin, far, 4 cousin. Got you, cousin. Got you. Yo, big up on yourself. Celebration, independence. Got you, independence. You know I walk. You got turn super. You're a nice girl though. You know, I never dream so I get a nice girl. We have a nice girl but she fighty. You know fight?
No, I'm not fight.
Alright, that's just right. So, how them find you?
You know, so I left a man.
You left for a man and they find you? Oh, that's one good idea. Because things happen at the right time for the right reason. So I've been single for a couple minutes a while ago and you come. So, give me a bag and put it down inside. This is everything up there?
Yeah, everything.
Alright. So
Hold on there. My tablet, I have to go back to it.
Alright, go and feed and come.
Alright.
Where you go?
I go down a fire yard. It done. It over. I can't do this no more. It done. I can't do it.
No, what you gonna be.
I mean, I not have no way. I already move out and my tablet I come for. I go down there right now.
So me can't let baby, we can't work something out.
I find a better man.
Oh God, you cannot leave me like that, baby.
But that not enough. Anyways, I go down a fire right now.
So where I go baby, just a little so. Can't work things out, you know.
Andrew. Yes, boss.
You can't find your 14 spanner yet.
No, boss. Pay 9 and 14 and 15.
Let me know in them there, but I don't want them there. 14 I want. You can't find the socket. You can't write it hungry on the 14 and the 14 can't come. Come in this spanner.
Yes, boss.
Come in this spanner. Dirty thief in Andrew.
Come here, call thief.
Who me attack? Let me come out here. Stay there the walkway. Dirty thief in boy Andrew. You walk when me talk to you. You see from when me give you my vehicle for fix. How much a month now from you give me back? You no put back all of this screw them in there. 1, 2 parts them. You're a criminal for a long time. A long time I hear about you. Boy, no say no. Hey, shut your mouth. Me want back me things them where you take out of me car. Where then there? White son so chuckle and like a some old vehicle.
If you pay your money fully, you wouldn't chuckle.
You're a criminal. You a thief. A long time I hear about you. But you see, sometimes when you hear things, you say, you don't know if I true. No, me come to prove it. Me come carry me vehicle, come give you.
You call me thief. Wait.
Boy, dirty Andrew. You a thief. Me not afraid of camera. I will take off me. Look here, boy. Me clothes, you're bright now. Me could thief in, boy. See there. Come look. Look funny. You make all of the screw them drop out from them eat this so. You change me tire. You is a thief. You still a video me? If you know how me not have nothing to do with you, all criminal, you can't go call the police them. Me not afraid of them. Call them. I might have tell you if you go video where sun no shine. Man, me have to send you which part. Look here, boy. Me want me things. Yes, look here, you see police them where you go for? Mine no, because I don't know up to you know. Me need me parts them.
How we are talk to, girl? How we are talk to?
Come on, you boy, you wear clocks. So when me things them the way you take out of my vehicle, boy, you in a green clocks. Boy, go call the police them. Me not afraid of police. You're all criminal for a long time. You're tricky people them. Me not like you. Andrew, you is a thief. You thiefing, Andrew, you go suffer. Karma go reach you. You see you make poor people suffer? You rob them and you want to come rob me too? Hold on. You have to give me back my things you keep out of me.
Alright, Rasta. Skipper. Remember to me Andrew Wallace have the same name? Watch what they happen to her now.
But you know what happened?
What happened?
You know, if you go out with the same thing, I was going to go out with the same thing. See, catch up on here now. You put it, now put it the people in the same thing good.
Skipper, you don't understand. You think a piece of money can fix car? Sometimes you want car $1,000 come. More than that thing out now. So maybe just put in our old school. I old school them pop off, man.
That's why you come to embarrass me right now.
No, I'm not embarrassing, man. You know
but the people I'm saying, see that, I'm not even talking yet, you know.
Listen, it's just like when you fix a phone and you want a man come back, you put something for chigga off in it. After 2 months, it chip out.
But I want to chigga pan.
Scotty, look at one next video. Look at Scotty. One more video come out.
No, sir.
You know, say this is this bro got Scotty.
What should I easy?
How we go feed now?
Kindly lock off the engine. Switch off the engine for me. Switch off the engine. Take your hands off. Switch off the engine. Switch off the engine. Get out of the car. Get out. Come on. Come. You disrespect Andrew. Eh? You disrespect Andrew. Come on. You can't this, bro, God.
Bro, God, you this, you know?
How you this, Andrew? Eh? Your Andrew size. Explain yourself. Stand up yourself. Stand up.
Officer. Andrew will walk at the garage me talk about it. I wish Andrew you attack.
You think of Andrew you attack? Listen to me. You have to be careful with the word Andrew, you know. Because as I say Andrew
red boat. Did I say Andrew, bro God? So officer, fighting crime is no longer important. As somebody say Andrew, a problem.
Careful with the word Andrew.
Officer, mind me out. And I have no right to put your hand on me.
Listen to me. Carry on. But careful with the word Andrew. Yeah?
I say one fire, I mean man and moving and thing, living.
I mean fire just left. I mean to see a long time man that girl the man. I say I go along the door. Now go down there.
Take back your man and let me get back my woman.
You see all them strain and them pan them Bibles no work. You have to come and work, do your hours them and go work at your yard.
So about the soup them, I tell about the soup. Anytime the soup them come around, the people them run up and down. I wonder why.
Soup. Monday you can't, when they say Monday ask for jump, just ask how high. You may tell you? Because the Monday them get the orders. As a matter of fact, we just get the order from the soup. Because the Monday get the orders from Andrew. Anybody this Andrew, we feel like them up. You could have hear Andrew. You're supposed to reach to feel them. You see me? You don't worry about thief and criminal and this. A waste of time that. We get more money if we go for people with this Andrew. Anybody hear this Andrew one? Carry me in. If you don't have to carry me in, you plan something on you. You see me I say? Anybody, you just want to know say, one thing is Andrew.
And you know say me here say anyhow you win again. Everybody in iPhone I get one clocks. I see all iPhone 13, 14, something like that. Fire, you are the best. Fire.
Then I really sex, then India sex. I'm gonna kill him.
Alright, like we're not getting no call now, just go on now, my business. So if we can't wait, get us sleep.
Alright, Hello, this is Redgrove Police Station. Hello, officer. Hello. How may I help you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know, I'm just coming and I'm going to take my money. And please, me after night when I can't come, I can give me back my money.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, I will need some information from you. I will need your address and your name, please.
What does that have to do with my money with anything?
Ma'am, I need to know your address so I can come. So tell me your address and your name.
Okay. Negril.
Alright, so Negril Bottom Row. What's your name? I didn't hear you.
Let me talk to her. Hello, Susie?
Hello.
Detective Red Boot here. We don't have any gas in our vehicle.
If I did Andrew, I would have find gas.
You know, we have special treatment for Andrew. Where he's a king. He's a king.
What is prince? Which king?
He's a bro god.
So about me.
We don't value you.
When I have blood run through your body like when I have blood run through your body.
He's a special kind.
What?
He's a special kind. He's a bro god.
Yeah, Andrew goes up my big.
This sound man.
Just start to come in this thing.
Come on, this is code red. We know if you're friend, yo.
Shorty, look at man everybody work with that something there now. Cause I don't know how it tight up. In Shorty, how are you putting that? A crazy girl putting that? A girl a group. In Shorty, how are you putting that? You good though?
Yeah man, me just like how you take care of my body.
My ex-man.
Yeah, that the mad girl, yeah. My girl, the man don't want you.
Yo, me take a restraint order up on a girl already, you know. Come out of me out.
Hey, come out of that.
Yo, how would that? Girl,
come out.
Wait.
See blood? Hey.
No, this is serious. Yo, Shorty, give me phone there. Give me phone there.
Babes, call the police. Make can't do this, I swear.
Yo, girl, go put on that something there. Me say go put it down. Mama, me left, mama, go put it down.
Hello? Red Boots Police Station.
Officer, you know. Ex-girlfriend that me had right now. And he have a gun and he have a knife. To me, I'm moving a new girl in my house and now she want to kill me because of that.
Verify address for me, no?
Yeah, on the hillside I live, yeah. Third house. Yeah, kick off the door there after up and come now. What you say? No, on the White House, man. Yo, you know no girl, me take question out all about fire attack, you know, man. Me just take question out that man over there. We mean say you don't know. Yes, I be said one man. What time come on here, man, when she beat me up, what?
So you know how much shot is in the gun?
Let me say, what kind of gun? I don't know what kind of gun. I'm going to ask you what kind of gun. I'm going to have bullets in that gun. Let me say, what kind of bullet? Hey, yeah, yo, no, don't job, you know. When I laugh on station for?
Okay, but
I'm sorry I don't have we don't have any vehicle now, you know. We don't have any vehicle, no vehicles here. Shh, vehicle.
Oh, you know not what? You know no vehicle. Oh, no, never no vehicle in emergency yet. Yo.
Alright.
Everything good, me understand. Nothing good. Shh, Charlie, come here, just turn up at the place. If she kick off the door, turn up there. If she fire one shot, go down low. You hear me say? If she kick the door, you still turn up and just go down low if you fire the shot. But you have an idea. Do a video. Can you do the video them Andrew them find out quick? Yo, Andrew. Me nah go nowhere. You could have look every time. You early time I was mama. What him right now? Dirty boy, dirty boy. Idiot. This is better. You still out there, not still out there. Right there. Yo.
My girl, go on here, yeah. The man don't want you. What do you man go on here, yeah?
Yo. Look what I go on social media. Somebody diss broken again.
Send to phone on.
Yo. I'm sharing.
Yes, Redwood Police Station. Say what? Call Andrew. I'm coming. Call Andrew name. Yeah? You can't call my boss name. Yeah? Who's the Andrew? 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 Sorry. Who's the Andrew? Who's the Andrew? Yo, put it on.
Yo, officer.
You're under arrest for the illegal use of the word Andrew and for dissing Brogan.
So yo, hear me answer now? Yeah, daddy. Yo, me calling a while ago, you know. And me calling and telling them my girlfriend, ex-woman out at the door, you know. Yo, police, and me just calling a while ago, you know. Only say no driver and no down there, you know. The forward, you know. And me tell them my ex-girlfriend out at the door with gun and kick off the door, you know. So if I wash it there, best not pass her with the gun and everything. So I kill her when she kill me then. Yes man, and me just calling a while ago, general. You understand me? I say, so if me never say Andrew name, uno come and make she get wet. You know what I mean? This have go up on CVM and JBC.
Sir,
and TVJ.
I'm unable to tell you that from the word Andrew. It's my duty to find you anywhere he is, anywhere you are, and lock you up. I don't care about no gunman, no gunwoman, or nothing else. Just the word Andrew. Don't you dare use that word again.
Alright, tell Andrew, sorry boss. Tell Mr. Andrew, your boss say, I apologize for using his name, but I only way to save my life because when the man come, if you hear say gunman there, but as me say Andrew, before me could answer wholeness, you kick off the door next. Everything good.
Jesus, but no man not easy man. Watch what the man this Andrew man. Listen, slippers.
Oh, mama.
Come here, man. Look how the man at this Andrew. Yo, this is one case for you now, you know, boss. You go win, you know.
Yeah, man.
Man at this Andrew big time, man. Yo, my son. You mash up the case now, you know, boss. You feel this now, you know. Hold on, Bunny.
I go down. I go look see my find but I go down there now.
Yeah, man.
Right, big case. Do those. Right him out there for me, Shakaberry. I'll go down there so go drink 2 beer and go on a split.
Alright.
$1,000. You thief $1,000 out of the bank, man.
I don't like them sitting there, man. If you come at $1,000.
I set me up, you know. Set me up.
I'll go down there, so go on a spliff and drink 2 beer. Alright? Don't let him out of your eyesight, you know.
Yeah, man.
You me tell you?
Yeah.
Don't let him out. Because Redwood Police Station is no joke thing. We are not too much eat.
True.
Sit down. Tell me your name.
John Brown.
Right.
Officer. You know, see you look nice though. Yeah man, and I'm more than $1,000 my teeth, you know. Yeah man, I'm more than $1,000. So you see if you let me go, I can go find all the rest of money and carry on give you.
So how you know say? They not go find out and lock up it away.
You can just make up one story and tell them say I get where me get way. Just tell them say you're gonna go use the bathroom and left me and me get way.
That not sound bad still. Alright, hurry up and go on. So when Redwood come now, make you know say you get way. Quadred! The prisoner get way now. Hurry up and come and get way.
You know the brother where did up on the video and bro where I cause me I want lawyer, you see me need to get the case, me have to get the case. Yes, I road that's where him come from. Which part him there? Which part him live?
The brown youth. My bleach for him about 10.
Me don't know how long him bleach for. Team brown do man.
And him can't read now right now, him dunce.
It sound like him dunce.
How him do?
Make a video man, I diss up the Prime Minister, so he might have to go in a court now and he won't need a lawyer.
Over the same.
Yeah man, alright, thank you. Hello? Morning sir.
Morning sir.
My name Lawyer Slippers. Are you the brother with the on the video?
Yeah man.
What's your name sir?
My name is Ricky Brooks.
So you know say right now I'm here your savior. Because I come to come help you. And you say no matter the court and them sitting there, I'm going to need a lawyer my boss to defend. Where the phone with the video there?
You know, say don't mess up on the road.
Alright, we're going to deal with it man. We're going to sort out all of this. Come on, we're going to deal with it. Alright sir. We're going to go down to the station and go find out what really are going. Where there?
You know say I'm going to use the bathroom, I come back and see me get way.
We're under pressure, you know.
But I feel fall. Because you know, say me just come in here first and you left me boy, you gonna drink rum. And you know, say me not too understand about it yet.
Why? $1,000 is thief too. Make it time. You know I run him down for $1,000 now.
Right,
Me thief for $100 million now. But I probably run him down. I run down a boy for $1,000. Not even taxi me non-stop.
Right, me I say $1,000 and they carry me in. And when they say 1,000 I feel say $100, you know.
But $1,000 is really $100 in Jamaica. Cause you can't go shop with $1,000. By the time I go spend buy one juice, it done.
Not even can buy lunch.
Anybody give me $1,000, I tell them if we go get offering with that.
Hey Redwood, I'm go over so I take a little sleep in man, because I never sleep last night.
You sleep in your yard, man. Sleep in your yard.
Just 5 minutes, man. Just 5 minutes. For anything, you wake me up. Anything, wake me up.
Just make me do the talking, yeah? Morning, officer.
Well, just step up in that place, man. Who are you?
My name is Lawyer Slippers. I'm going to bring my client here because no violate him rights. When we done with all on the down here now, we build house out on now. I understand it's a big case. I'm not want to afraid and nervous. You see how them operate down here like it's a party shop.
This is the police station, man. I think this is the courthouse. Eh? You can't come down. You have your work to do, and we have mine. And him disrespect Anjo, and it's my duty to bring him to justice.
What is this?
I want to go in this squaddy.
Now this little boy got him big brother say I'm a lawyer. Come in here trying to disrespect me and my job. Eh?
You make a big mistake because I record everything what you say. Make sure you take them regulation number and me will note it. He hold on and lose no officer today. You, Mr. Redwood, sorry, come on.
Sad mistake. You think of them run things? And we run things. Make him go and exalt himself.
Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. We do this for fun, we do it for game, and hope somebody learn and don't be ashamed. You know what I mean? Because it's just the narrative what's going on now, presented to all back in the days when I want the people them, because people live what they learn and people follow the leaders. You know what I mean? So when if I want in a Jamaica tell I want say, if you suck something where they're not pleased about, they will take a knife and shot them or take a gun and kill them or whatever the case may be, make everybody can just know. So watch out. Word is wind, blow is unkind. You know what I mean? None of that makes sense to some, but I think it should make sense to all. So word is just win, you know what I mean, at times. So when we say things that they don't really mean at times, worse when them upset. You know what I mean? So let's find better ways to resolve with things instead of makes other people look small. Because once you make people look small, forever, them go have the hatred against you. And we don't want a nation of hatred. Let's find, when I want do something, try pull them in and talk to them and they understand why you do things. That means say, them now walk away feeling that you're just using authority and brutality. Because in the end of that will bring fatality.
Yeah man, because think about this fire. On a real level, if you have your youth and then do something where you consider as being wrong, you're calling me in and disciplining me in a way. You're not going to carry him go to the road and embarrass him. You know what I say? So the same thing, if you are the leader, you have to be the leader. And anything what we do on film is just us expressing ourselves in our creative fashion. It's not to create malice or disrespect nobody. You know what I say? Where we do our art.
We have to come with love.
Exactly.
That's simple. I just peace and love where I say, so we just live in the playing field and just do a film just explaining how some people feel. And everybody have them different opinion. And I guess that's what freedom is. You know what I mean? Actually can say what you feel to say. You know what I mean? And nobody know what you too much again. Because some of the things are petty things. You know what I mean?
For real,
so
for real.
history I repeat itself. Way back in the days, if you tell a man to go suck certain things, may I tell you, in a Jamaica, he's dead.
Serious.
But now, when you tell a man, the man laugh and say, I do it all the while now. You know what I mean? So, you know, become such a big deal again. But now, look like them try reverse the thing. When you say one thing, somebody kill a feet. So, hope say no go to do so, and people just make some things go on. Because if you now move us forward, let's not delay on that. Because you delay upon that, and then you make other things that are more important. Slide down the drain. People are suffering. You know what I mean? Presently now in Jamaica, people are suffering. People working from that time till this time, and all know they don't live a good life yet. Then don't know Jamaica. You know what I mean? Then don't go nowhere. From their house to them bed every day, just working. Them brought here upon a ship. Them fourth parents brought here upon a ship, and after them come up for work, and all know they don't stop work. And now they don't see a brighter day. So this we have to say, make Jamaica be a better place.
Yeah, man, treat everyone with respect and love. And that we say.
One love. Burn it down to the ground. JAMMIWOOD, Richard Brown Flames. Peace and love. Big up everybody. Anywhere there in the world. Thank you for watching. Officer, House of Parliament. Anyone there in the world. Big up on yourself. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.
You see your goals and dreams. No melody, bubble and kill them. No swallow the pill them. Curious. Life is just living. Go and get what you need. You can't have no doubt in your mind. God first you have to believe. Life is just living. Go and get what you need. You place called Earth, you better watch out where you stand. Cause enough of them a friend, but them a sinking sand. But life is just a living. Go and get what you need. You can't hand it out in your mind. Cause first you have to believe. Life is just a living. Go and get what you need. You can't hand it out in your mind. Cause first you have to believe. Take worries off your mind. Take worries off your mind. Take worries off mine. Step out the dark and shine. Cause life is just living. Go and get what you need. You can't have no doubt in your mind. Cause first you have to believe. Life is just living. Go and get what you need. You can't have no doubt in your mind. Cause first you have to believe. From you believe, me I tell you say you win long time. Can't catch me off guard, me no fear mankind. I just scream just to cure my mind. I be tough in at the game.